Hello guys, I hope you guys are having an exciting day. So I wanted to bring out another project that I'm going to work on. And again, like I said, we just take these patterns, same little, well, it's not, this one ain't the same, but see, but this pattern. So what we're going to do today, the outfit that I'm going to make today. So you see this? This is like a tube top, but you do it to your customer's measurements, and then you pull out the armholes because the armholes is going to be connected, and the pants is going to be bell bottoms, and it's going to connect. I'm going to put the elastic, and it's going to be off the sleeve, and it's going to connect. So my customer picked this beautiful burgundy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So I already then serged one pants leg. So when you do the pants, if you want to be wide legs, then you're going to cut them wider. You're not going to make it like these. So when you trace out these pants, you're going to make it wider if you want to make the wider legs, okay? So that's what we're going to make. So we're going to make the wide leg pants. So I got the two pants. So you trace out that pattern, and just when you get right here, if you don't want it to be skinny legs, you extend the leg to make it wider, okay? You'll follow your customer's measurements. And when you do the top, this is what the top will look like when you're doing it, okay? So this is my customer's measurements. I already then created the crop top. And then, of course, I'm going to fold this down, the elastic. But you see the armholes, guys. That's what that slit in the newspaper. So this is going to be off the shoulder, but you see the armhole? So the top is going to be like this. Let me show you if I can line it up. The top is going to be like this, but then it's going to have elastic going around. And right here is going to be connected, but you don't want it so tight. So it's going to be connected to the waistband with the elastic on it. And then the last final part is going to be, we're going to put the sleeves on. So this got half sleeves. And you see, the half sleeves will connect just like this, guys. And then when you're done, you'll fold it over 1 inch, and you will insert elastic going around the top, and it will get connected to the pants. So I wanted to bring you guys fun, easy, beautiful outfit that I made. And then this, I be making all my clothes. So these is like the bell to the bottom, the bell to the bottom, the bell to the bottom. So this is a beautiful lavender, and this fabric is so, oh, it feels, this fabric too, it feels amazing on your body. You ever get a fabric and it just feels so amazing on your body? So that's what I'm going to make today for a customer. And I just wanted to come and show you guys the process. So it's real easy, quick. I'm going to put this leg in here. I'm going to go take this to the serger machine, and I'm going to get it done, guys. So I hope you guys are having an awesome Monday. Happy sewing. Bye-bye.